Good morning. This is Alaya, and my upcoming class is Heart-Centered Therapy, Holographic Relationships. This class is a game changer. What we are going to do is we are going to come to understand the power of a single thought, a belief that we hold as truth within us. And we will see how that thought will play out in our lives, in all our experiences, within our bodies. It will affect our physical health, our emotional stability, our ability to stay in joy, and our minds. For as we hold too many negative beliefs, it will definitely affect our mental health. As we look into this process, what we're going to do is we're going to use the male-female principle. Now, this is an easier way for us to be able to feel how it permeates and affects every level of life. And if we look to ourselves, we'll realize that our beliefs about the male and the female has been given to us, most profoundly demonstrated by our mothers and our fathers. And of course, which was influenced by our ancestors, which is refined by culture, education, politics, religion. And then we have a perception and an experience that was perhaps imposed upon us, and that we never really had the possibility to move beyond any imposed thought and to feel what that really is. The relationship within us is the primary template that will manifest into our relationship with our partners, our children, every relationship that we have in life. And once we realize that the primary is inside of us, we get to go inside and witness the truth about how we hold our own feminine and our masculine. And we will start to recognize the internal conflict, the internal misunderstanding, separation, and judgment that is playing out. And the most clear mirror is going to be the relationship with our husbands and our wives, our partners. Once we understand that, we get to go inside and balance that relationship, come to a deeper understanding and love. And then when this happens, when we bypass any judgment, any negative thought about what male-female is, we start to have the ability to redefine and feel the purity and the beauty of pure male and pure female. The male without any overlay of war, violence, pure essence. The feminine without feeling that she has been oppressed, denied, silenced, not seen. This we heal within ourselves. This is where we have the power to recreate our experience in such a tangible, palpable way. It will change our lives. And when we leave, we will have a new relationship inside. And this will carry out into every relationship we have. This is important. And if you feel to join me, I'll see you there. Thank you.